हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सोनू शर्मा। आप देख रहे हैं क्रिएटिव इंडियन गियर। आज के इस वीडियो में बनाने वाला हूं अपने चैनल का अब तक का सबसे छोटा इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक, जो कि वो बाइक बहुत छोटी होने वाली है। मात्र 18 इंच उस बाइक की लंबाई होने वाली है, जो कि मैं खुद उस पर बैठकर चलाने वाला हूँ। हाँ गाइज, आपको यकीन नहीं हो रहा ना? 1.5 फीट लंबी बाइक ये बंदा बैठकर चलाएगा कैसे और बनाएगा कैसे? तो ये सब मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो, मैं इसे बनाऊंगा भी और आप लोगों को चला कर भी दिखाऊंगा। बस आप वीडियो पे बने रहो।
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
तो गाइज लगातार 2 महीने मेहनत करने के बाद ये हमारी छोटी सी बाइक आज बनकर तैयार हो चुकी है। तो अब समय आ गया है इसे चलाने का। तो लेकर चलते हैं एक अच्छी सी सड़क पे। गाइस वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना। इससे थोड़ा हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है। और हाँ, कमेंट में ये भी बता देना कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर होना चाहिए।